Welcome to the demonstration of User Stories US213 RegManage homepage and US281 case work activity functionalities for the WSGC IT Modernization project by MERP Systems. Welcome to our demonstration. I'm Kelly Maloney, Director of Business Development at MERP Systems. We're thrilled to have the chance to showcase our capabilities and discuss how we can support your goals with our innovative solutions. We look forward to a fruitful discussion and a successful partnership. Thank you for joining us today. Scenario 1. Staff create inspection in RegManage homepage. Let's start by logging in as Chad Evans, who is an RA agent. Upon logging in, a comprehensive landing page designed to streamline workflow is displayed, with an at-a-glance view of Messaging Center, Dashboards, Case Management. Within Case Management, the RA agent can access various views to organize and prioritize their tasks. The My Active Cases view displays all the cases the RA agent is currently working on and ensures that the agent can easily track the status and details of each case, facilitating effective case management. My Active Cases view includes case title, case number, party, case status, created on, last assigned, and owner. By clicking on the party name, the RA agent can directly access the profile of the party, allowing for a quick review of relevant details. This feature enables the agent to gather all necessary information about the party. RA agent can sort the records by different columns and utilize the search functionality to quickly find specific cases. By clicking on a column header, case title, the RA agent can sort the records alphabetically. Similarly, agents can sort other columns like party, created on, etc. to organize desired view according to their needs. RA agents can also search to quickly find specific cases by entering keywords or case numbers. This functionality is invaluable for efficiently navigating through a large number of cases, ensuring the RA agent can quickly access the information they need. In addition to sorting and searching, the RA agent can assign or share records with other users, facilitating collaborative case management. The functionality to delete a case is conditional based on the case status and subtask status. To delete a record, the case must be unassigned. Let's select an unassigned record and check its details. If the case status is unassigned and subtask status is pending to complete, the delete button will be visible for use. If the case status is assigned, the delete button will not be visible for use. In the ribbon, you'll find the Export to Excel button, which enables the agent to export the current view of cases. The RA agent can download the Excel file containing the list of cases. The exported file includes all the relevant details of the cases, such as case title, case number, party, status, created on, last assigned, and owner, allowing for offline analysis and reporting. This feature simplifies the process of generating reports and sharing case information with stakeholders, enhancing overall efficiency and transparency. Let us go to the landing page again. From the landing page, the RA agent can easily access the account and contact tables to find external parties or contacts available in the system. Let's start by exploring the accounts. This is where the agent can find information about external parties or organizations. In the accounts view, the agent can use the search and sort functionalities to locate specific accounts. By entering a keyword in the search bar, the RA agent can quickly find a specific account. The RA agent can also sort the records by various columns to organize the view according to the needs. Now, let's switch to the Contacts table. In the Contacts view, the RA agent can similarly use search and sort functionalities to find specific contacts. The Active Contacts view displays all contacts currently active in the system. Using the search bar, the RA agent can locate a specific contact by name or keyword. RA agents can click on the contacts to view, edit, and manage them. These features ensure that the RA agent can efficiently locate and manage external parties and contacts within the system. In addition to managing cases and contacts, the RA agent can also handle secure messages through the Email Messages section. Let's explore how the RA agent can view and manage their secure messages. Here, the agent can view a list of secure messages received or sent, ensuring they stay informed about important communications. To respond to or initiate new communications, the RA agent can create a new email. Clicking the New Email button opens a new email composition window. In the new email window, the RA agent can enter the recipient's email address, subject, and the message body. Once the email is ready, the agent can send it by clicking the Send button. This functionality enables the RA agent to handle secure communications effectively, ensuring timely and secure interactions with relevant parties. On the landing page, the RA agent can access various dashboards designed to provide insights and monitor performance. Let's explore the Case Dashboard, which offers a comprehensive overview of case-related metrics and key performance indicators. The Case Dashboard provides valuable insights into the agent's cases. The interactive elements allow the RA agent to drill down into specific details and get a deeper understanding of their case management performance. By leveraging the Case Dashboard, the RA agent can effectively monitor their case workload, track performance, and make data-driven decisions to enhance their efficiency. In WSGC, multiple teams play a crucial role in organizing and managing users according to their roles and responsibilities. Let us watch how we can view and manage teams within the suggested case management solution. Within the Regulation and Enforcement view, we can see three distinct teams. RA Agent Team, Chad Evans represent this role in this demo. Leadership Staff Team, Brett Jones represent this role in this demo. Director, Cindy Smith represent this role in this demo. By clicking on each team, the RA agent can view the members of the team and their roles. This view provides a clear understanding of how responsibilities are distributed among the different teams. This team configuration helps streamline workflows and ensures that each team member knows their responsibilities and reporting structure. Scenario 2. Staff work the inspection case. To initiate the creation of a new case, click Cases Entity from the landing page and click the New Case menu and open the case creation form. Now select the activity type for the case. For this demo, Inspection is selected. Next, select a party for the case. Selecting Gamble Galaxy here displays a quick view about the party. The Quick View form displays essential information like account name, phone, email, and license number. Additional fields can be added to this form as needed. Additional details about the party can be accessed by clicking on their name. After filling in these details, click Save to create the case. Upon saving, a unique case number and the created on date are generated, providing a clear reference for the new case. The new case is now created with all relevant details, ready for further action and management. To streamline the process of filling out case details, you can use the Copy Information functionality to auto-populate fields from an existing case. Start by clicking on the toggle field labeled Copy Information. Once the toggle is activated, select the case record from which you want to copy details. In this case, select Inspection of PB from the recent records or search for the desired record in the lookup field. Click Save to initiate the copy process. The form will now auto-populate with details from the selected case, including fields such as case name, narrative type, and narrative. With the case details auto-populated, the next steps involve manually updating the case name and completing additional fields in the Summary tab. Now, update the case name to reflect the new title. The case name is now updated to Pull Tab Inspection on Gambling Premises. Next, we can fill out the remaining fields. Enter the required details into the following fields: case type, amount of value lost, date, time occurred, date, time notified. All required details are now filled out in the Summary tab, providing a comprehensive overview of the case. These details ensure that the case is well documented and ready for further processing and management. The next step involves filling out information about contacts associated with the case. In the Subject/Suspect grid, click on Add Existing Contact to link suspects and secondary subjects to the case. For this demo, we are trying with Liam Patrick, Primary, Corey Smith, and James Dean. The grid now displays information such as name, email, phone number, license type, license number, and company name for each contact. Additional fields can also be added to this view. For further details about any contact, click on their record to open and view additional information. Next, proceed to the Victim grid to add information about the victim. In the Victim grid, we can either add an existing contact or create a new contact directly from the case. To create a new contact, enter the details for the victim. First name. For this demo, we will enter first name as Vincent.
Last name. For this demo, we will enter last name as Cruz.
Email. For this demo, we will enter email as vcruz@fakemail.com. Select Victim from the Case Relation field. You can also create contacts of different types such as witness or suspect by choosing the appropriate option from the Case Relation field. To add information about witnesses, go back to the Party Details tab. Click on Add Existing Contact to add witnesses Bob, Hope, and Diana Roma. Information such as name, email, phone number, driver's license, and date of birth will be visible for each witness. Finally, add information regarding the reporting party. Click on Add Existing Contact and select Alex Baker to add as the reporting party. The reporting party information is now included in the case details. All relevant contacts have been added to the case, providing a complete overview of involved parties. To add violations related to the case, move to the Violation Checklist tab. In the Violation Checklist tab, we can add violations from a predefined list. We will add a violation from the list and click Add. Multiple violations can be added to a single case using this method. For this demo, we are adding this violation or inspection code, WAC 230-14-065. The selected violation is now added to the checklist. We can repeat this process to add additional violations as needed. To update the details of the added violation, open the record by clicking on it. Set the violated field to Yes and provide any relevant comments regarding the violation. This update reflects that the violation has been confirmed and allows for detailed notes on the case. After making these updates, save the record to ensure the changes are applied. The violation details are now updated, completing the process of adding and documenting violations related to the case. To manage documents related to the case, navigate to the Document tab. Here, we can upload multiple documents of various formats or create new documents as needed. Select the documents we want to upload from your file system and confirm the upload. Once uploaded, the documents will appear in the list, displaying details such as the document name, path, and who modified it. We can also create a new document by clicking on the New button. The newly created document will also appear in the list, with its details displayed similarly to the uploaded documents. This functionality ensures that all relevant documents are easily accessible and well organized within the case. After completing all required details, save the case record to ensure all information is updated. With the record saved, move the business process flow from the intake stage to the investigation stage. The business process flow now reflects the updated stage, indicating that the case has progressed to the investigation as well as inspection phase. Next, assign the case to an agent to work on. Select the desired agent from the list of available users and confirm the assignment. The owner field will now display the assigned agent for the case, showing who is responsible for handling it. We can also see the login user details. This option provides information about the current user's account. If we need to share the case with other users, click on Share. Select the user we want to share the case with and provide the necessary permissions. This functionality allows for collaboration and ensures that relevant users have access to the case as required. In the Subtask tab, predefined subtasks such as evidence, violation, and fees, etc. are automatically created based on the case type. These predefined subtasks are set up to streamline the case management process. We can also create additional subtasks as needed throughout the case lifecycle. Select the appropriate form for the new subtask based on the requirements. Once the details are entered, the new subtask will be added to the list. If we need to remove any manually created subtasks, we can do so by selecting the subtask and clicking the Delete button, or can deactivate the subtask. To manage evidence records, click on the Evidence record in the subtask. We can now fill out the data for the evidence record. Enter all required and relevant information. Once all details are entered, save the record. The task does not need to be marked as complete at this stage. At any point, an agent can reopen a subtask to update or mark it as complete. Also, the owner of this record is the agent assigned to the case, but the record can be assigned to other agents depending on business rules. To assign the record to another agent, click on the Assign button from the ribbon. To view the change history for the record, go to Related and select Audit History. The audit history displays all changes made to the record, including who made the changes, the type of changes, and the date and time of each change. This feature ensures transparency and accountability by providing a detailed log of all modifications made to the record. Now let us open the violation subtask. Fill out the required fields for the violation, such as violation type, code, and comments. Once all the necessary information is entered, mark the task as complete. Save the record to ensure all changes are updated and the task is marked as completed. This process ensures that all violation-related information is accurately recorded and the task is appropriately completed. Now let us open the disposition subtask. Fill out the required fields for the disposition, including the type of disposition, admin case type, and comments. Once all the necessary information is entered, mark the subtask as complete. Save the record to ensure all changes are updated and the subtask is marked as completed. While the record fees and disposition subtask may not be available for inspection cases in real-life scenarios, we will demonstrate how this task works for the sake of the demo. Open the record fees subtask to view the pre-populated fields. The fee type and fee fields are auto-populated based on the violation and disposition information. Agents can change the status to issued, provide comments, and mark the task as complete. Save the record to ensure all changes are updated and the subtask is marked as completed. This demonstration shows how to manage and complete the record fee subtask, even though it might not be available for inspection cases in real scenarios. Once the record fees subtask is completed, an invoice is automatically created. To view the generated invoice, go to Related of the case and select Invoice. The invoice is generated in the name of the party and includes the fees calculated from the earlier subtask. Within the invoice record, we can view detailed information such as the party name, amount, and status of the invoice. This automated process ensures that all necessary financial documentation is created and can be easily accessed and reviewed. Next, we will manage the Legal Unit Update subtask. Fill out the required fields for the Legal Unit Update. Introduce the legal manager as Stacy Ward. Select Brett Jones from the assigned parties. Once all necessary information is entered, mark the task as complete. Save the record to ensure all changes are updated and the task is marked as completed. After completing all necessary tasks, it's time to send the case for pre-issue charge review. Click on the Send for Review button. Then we need to move the business process flow from the investigation stage to the review stage. The case record will now be assigned to the leadership staff for further review. An email notification will also be triggered to inform the leadership staff, Brett Jones, about the new assignment. S2, Scene 17. Once the case is assigned to the leadership staff, they will need to complete the pre-issue charge review task. Leadership staff will fill out the details for the review. Set the reviewed field to Yes. Add comments regarding the review in the comments field. Once all the necessary information is entered, mark the task as complete. Save the record to ensure all changes are updated and the task is marked as completed. After completing the pre-issue charge review task, the leadership staff will mark the review field to Yes in the business process flow. Next, move the business process flow to the case resolution stage. The owner of the record will now change to the director, Cindy Smith, indicating that the case is assigned to them, and case status will change to pre-issue charge review completed. After the case is assigned to the director, they will need to complete the approval task. Navigate to the Subtask tab and select the approval record. The director will fill out the required fields. Set the approved field to Yes. Add any necessary comments regarding the approval in the comments field. Once all the necessary information is entered, mark the task as complete. Save the record to ensure all changes are updated and the task is marked as completed. Final task involves completing the final issuance task. The director will need to fill out the required details in the final issuance subtask. Set the issuance type to Novas and provide comments as needed. Once all necessary information is entered, mark the task as complete. Completing this task will trigger an email notification to the primary contact of the party. In the timeline, we can see the email sent to the party and primary contact, ensuring they are informed about the final issuance. The final step in the case process is to mark the case record as completed from the case resolution stage in the business process flow. Once the status is updated, save the record to ensure all changes are applied and can finish the case activity. Also, agents can link additional case records to the current case to associate related cases. To do this, we need to go to the Related section on the case form. Under Related, select Cases and click on Add Existing Record. A list of existing cases will be displayed. Select the case you want to link, for example, card game violation, and then click Add. The selected case is now linked to the current case. We can repeat this process to link multiple cases as needed. This feature helps in maintaining comprehensive case records by linking related cases, providing a complete view of associated cases. Scenario 3. Staff export or package cases from landing page. Agents can export a case report in PDF format for detailed documentation. To generate the report, click on Generate Case Report button from the ribbon. In the confirmation dialog box that appears, click Yes to proceed with generating the report. In the timeline, we can see the generated document. After clicking on that document, we can download or print the document. Let us open the generated report and learn it. The case number is displayed at the top of the page, followed by dynamically populated case details. In the initial section of the report, you can view a summary of the case including type of incident, disposition, suspect details and address, date and time of incident, and the location of incident. Moving along, the report includes details on the agents and supervisor of the case, dates of opening and closing, party license details, violations, amount lost, and any related cases. The next section captures persons' details involved in the case. It includes information on the primary suspects such as name, email, address, license information, employer, date of birth, physical description, and driver's license. Additional details are provided for the victim, witnesses, reporting party, and secondary subjects. Finally, the narrative section gives an overview of the case, including the summary, investigation, and conclusion. As we can see, various types of formatting is done on the document, like header and body are of different size and font, formatted paragraph, numbering to make the document more readable. Images can also be included in case reports. Apart from that, any additional formatting can also be achieved as per requirements. This report provides a comprehensive view of the case, summarizing all relevant details and making it easy to review the entire case history. Thank you to the WSGC team for granting us the opportunity to develop this demo. We are eager to serve as your technology ally, furthering our collaboration to achieve outstanding results. For any further assistance, please reach out to Prem Nair, partner at MERP Systems. We look forward to working together on this exciting opportunity.